Hi guys, I'm Amrita from Voxhill. I'm a placement coordinator here, and today I'm going to tell you that how to dress for an interview. Okay, so why is it so important to look good for an interview? So why do people talk so much about grooming and dressing up? So today I'm going to share some grooming and dressing up tips. Okay, so actually research says that it takes only 7 seconds to create a lasting impression. Okay, so like it gives a head start, and the interviewer feels that you are prepared for the corporate culture and you will be the right fit for the company. So it is very important to look good. So I'll share types of shirt you should wear for an interview. So formal shirt, you should not wear a casual shirt or a dressy top or a t-shirt. Okay, so color of the shirt should be subtle. It should be a solid shirt, which means no checks, no stripes, no prints. Okay, so if you are appearing for an interview for the first time, or you are a fresher, please try to invest in a white shirt. That will be very useful throughout your career. Okay, so the colors that you can wear are light, neutral or pastel colors. Okay, so neutral colors, the example for neutral colors that you can wear are white, black, gray and brown. Okay, and the pastel colors that you can wear are light shade of blue, pink, peach, lemon yellow. Okay, so wear a regular length shirt. You can tuck in if you want. The shirt should be a perfect fit. Okay, not too tight, not too loose. Okay, and try not wearing a transparent shirt. Okay, do not experiment on the day of interview. So you don't want to go shirt shopping or fetching for shirt on the day of the interview. Okay, because you will be already stressed and you don't want to add one more thing stressing you out on the list. Okay, so the fabric that I would suggest are anti-wrinkle and a cotton blend fabric. Okay, so and one thing that puts off an interviewer is unironed shirt. Okay, so it's better that you go for an anti-wrinkle one. And optional, you can try scarf. You can wear scarf like if your shirt is too tight or the buttons are stretching. Okay, and now we'll talk about trousers that you can wear. So you can wear a regular mid-waist trouser. You can wear a high waist trouser, but do not wear a low waist trouser. That is a big no-no. Okay, wear a comfortable trouser. Okay, we don't know how long the interview is going to go, and I would suggest wear a dark color because you don't want to stain your pants with whatsoever. Incidents happen, right? So now we'll talk about the length of the trousers. Okay, so go for the right length, covering your ankle balls. Okay, so you can find these trousers and shirt at very minimal rate on Myntra. So the brand is Dorothy Perkins. Okay, go check out. So, and yeah, you can also wear skirt and dresses. So we'll discuss about the colors. Okay, so the colors that you can wear are black, blue or gray. Okay, and the length should be calf length. It shouldn't be too short. And like buy a stretchable fabric. You'll be comfortable sitting down, getting up. Okay, and wear a stocking. It would give a great fit and you'll be comfortable too. Before wearing the skirt, wear the stockings, because after you wear the skirt, it won't give that fitting. Okay, and if you are planning to wear business suit, it's well and good. It's very nice. It will make a good impression on the interviewer. So wear a matching jacket and trouser. Do not wear contrast. Okay, wear a matching jacket to your trouser. Okay, so the best colors are for the suit are blue, black and gray. Okay, and yes, now we'll talk about Indian wear. Okay, you can wear Indian wear. Wear light colors or pastel colors as we discussed for the shirts. Okay, avoid salwar kameez and palazzos. Okay, go for the straight fitting pants and kurtis. Colors that you can choose in Indian wear are cream, white and beige. Okay, they are smart colors, and it should be a regular kurti, nothing fancy. Wear a packed collar or a half packed collar or a round neck. Okay, and the sleeves that you should wear are 3/4. 3/4 sleeves are acceptable. Okay, and the fabric of the kurtis should be cotton blend, Maheshwari, khadi or handloom. Okay, dupatta is purely optional. You can carry a dupatta, but I would suggest that you don't carry a dupatta, because you would be constantly like fighting with a dupatta. So that is why, if you want to carry a dupatta and you can carry it well, you can secure the dupatta with a safety pin, so it's well and good. So yeah, let's talk about saris too, because mostly freshers don't prefer wearing saris on an interview. But still, if at all you guys want to wear a sari, so y'all can go for crepe saris or cotton saris. Please do not wear chiffon saris. Okay, so we covered what you should wear. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the footwear. Okay, so mostly in an interview, so you should wear you should not wear sandals or chappals or flip-flop. You have to wear a formal shoe. Okay, formal shoe that is comfortable. Yeah, that is comfortable, but if you add a little heel, it's good. It will help with your posture, and you'll walk straight, and you'll have a different confidence in heels. Okay, and do not wear pencil heels. In heels, try block heels or wedge heels. Okay, and try wearing a heel that doesn't make noise, because you don't want to be a center of attraction. You already are preparing for your interview and you don't want people staring at you. Okay, so, and the color of shoes that you can wear, black, brown, gray, tan, nude or skin ivory colors. Okay, so let's talk about bags. Go for a tote bag. Okay, a big square or rectangle shaped bag. Do not carry a big bulky bag. Okay, take a bag with a decent storage. Try carrying only one bag for an interview. You need a big bag to carry all your stuff in it. Okay, just keep in mind, it should not be a jumbo bag. The color of the bag, again, you can do not go for any prints or stripes or multicolor. Always go for a solid color. Black is a good option, brown, blue and tan colored. Okay, so let's talk about jewelries now. Okay, keep it minimal. Okay, earrings, small stone earrings. Avoid blingy earrings, because mostly it's seen that if you wear artificial small earring, it's blingy. So do not go for anything blingy, or do not go for anything blingy. Okay, and hand accessories that you can wear are a simple watch. Okay, gold or silver colored. Okay, or a kada, which is also gold or silver. Okay, avoid wearing noisy anklets. Okay, and neck pieces, leave your neck free. Okay, you can wear a sleek silver or gold chain. Okay, if you want. And yeah, let's go to the makeup part. So it is not compulsory to wear a makeup for an interview, but you know, doing a little makeup, you you will look presentable. Yeah, if it is a summer interview, remember to rub ice on your face, as it will give your face a cooling effect for the whole day. So use a BB cream later on, or a sunblock that suits your skin. For eye makeup, a little stroke of eyeliner or kajal, whatever suits your face. So do not apply eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is a big no-no. Use nude color lipstick. Go for do not go for shocking colors, okay? Do not use bright shocking colors. Use the shade that suits your skin better, okay? So now red is trending, so you cannot wear a bright lipstick when you are going for an interview, okay? So use nude color. You can use nude color nail paints also. If you have long nails, you can use nude color nail paints, and if you have short nails, you may use maroon or red shade, okay? Yeah, this is important. Always smell good for an interview. Always keep in mind, you use a body mist also. You should not have a bad breath. Always keep a gum or a mint or a menthol, okay? So let's talk about hairstyles now. The hair should be neat, like depending on the length of your hair, okay? So the motive is that the hair should not come to your face. You can go for a high pony or a bun. Basically you have to you have to keep your face hair free. Like you cannot again and again touch your face and hair and everything. So it's better you go for a high pony or a bun, okay? So hair accessories should not be blingy again. Prefer a black net if you are tying a bun, okay? And if you are tying, if you want to leave your hair loose open, please use bobby pins and tic tac pins, okay? Yeah, okay, so just keep it very simple, very normal, you know. Okay, I hope that these tips help you with your interview, and all the best, girls. So now we'll go to the men's section. So now I'll talk about men, that how men should groom themselves for an interview. So it's basically nothing, men. If you all take a bath, you all will look good.